video! Yes, my hair is not brushed. It is very messy. Roar! I don't care. Yeah. Technically, it is not the 23rd where I am now, since it's past midnight, but whatever. I'm saying it's the 23rd. Yeah. I pretty much just sat around and did nothing today. Well, no, it did nothing, but I didn't really move a lot. Just my mouse clicking hand. No. I'm in this room again for the second time. So this is my laundry room. Pretty interesting, huh? Yeah. Made a bunch of macros today. If you don't know what those are, I'm not even going to explain. But, yeah. How was your day? Tell me. Thank you. 감사합니다. Vielen Dank. I don't know. 안녕. Bye.